क्वेश्चन करो, ऐसे नहीं मैं बोल पाती।
So ये क्या बोल रहा है, सुनाई नहीं दे
Then I
रहा
go back. It's like कोई नहीं, काट देंगे, कट कट कट।
कट रहा हूँ क्या मैं? ठीक है इतना। I think you are the main star of this story, so you should
थोड़ा
start.
ग्रिड में आ जाओ ना।
तुम्हारा हाथ नीचे। तो I think you are the main storyteller for this episode.
I'm always the main
So
storyteller.
about that bus incident, you are always.
Yeah. Because sometimes Uncle Chips is the the main character of a
But
bird.
not always the editor, I guess. Yeah. So we can start with the new episode. We are back. First episode of 2026.
So naturally we have a lot of new upcoming stories of 2026. So they are like the struggles of 2026 with the...
चश्मे को उतार दे, वो हमारी USB.
Oh, sorry guys.
Today we have many things to discuss, but we have a very important incident happened to the main member of the podcast again.
Like always.
Like that Jalandhar incident you might remember from the last time. Same kind of incident related to bus and shit also. So she will explain in a better way. Who
How is
else
that
can?
related to shit?
I mean the shit happening in the life, metaphorically shit, I guess. Before it was very direct towards the shit, but life is always like metaphorically shit. Some things happens always. So again, the things repeated in cycle, and something happened with the main member. So she will put some light on that situation, and you might find interesting.
So yeah, the story starts from a very, 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 very tiring day.
Why it was tiring?
It was already tiring because I recently came home from, like I was on a vacation on my home. It's not vacation, it's holiday, right?
Vacation, yeah, holiday.
So yeah,
day.
so I was on a holiday.
Yeah.
Unfortunately,
You were going home, or you?
I was at home and then I have to attend a workshop which I wasn't supposed to, but still I have to. And then I got food poisoning there, like always in all of the workshops I go.
In the workshop?
Yeah.
How like?
The food was good, but after the food I got food poisoning, which I realized I'll tell you later on.
Okay.
So yeah. So what happens is the workshop ends late night and I travel for like 1.5 or back to home.
Okay.
With my dad. And
on the first day?
Yeah, no, on the last day of workshop. And then I book my bus back to my college. Yeah, so I booked the bus the next day in the morning, which was really a bad idea because I just came back from a tiring week of like painting all the days, and then I have to go back, blah 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 blah, blah shit, and then I have to go back again. I have to travel again.
Where?
Travel back to college.
College?
Yeah, and that was like for 350-kilometer distance and from a tiring day. So what happens is...
So the story is you were home, then you went to workshop, then home and then to the college.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And in somewhere in the between was a food poisoning shit
Food
happening
poisoning,
at
which
the
I
workshop.
didn't realize that time. So I'm going back from home to college now.
Yeah.
And what happens? I wake up.
Chronology.
Yeah. I feel like I have to vomit, but I didn't vomit because I just feel like, and it's not like okay. I'm very nonchalant सी बन गई. I'm being all nonchalant. Nothing happens to me, man. मुझे कुछ हो सकता. फिर मैं बस में बैठ गई. Then I travel and all through the way I just convince myself I'm all good, I'm all right, nothing is happening to me. I'm just drinking water. Plus I want to pee also, but the bus is not stopping anywhere. That is another issue when you're traveling in a bus. So I had
shitting with bus doesn't really go well with you also. So then you were in the bus, so shitting and pissing yourself? Yeah, shitting and almost.
Pissing myself. Yeah, so I hadn't ate anything at all. And I was like, okay. So what happens is, I was checking the cab. I was checking a cab.
From where?
From I was checking all through the way कि मुझे कहाँ से कैब सस्ती पड़ जाए. All through the ways. No, I'm working on my English, guys.
So from bus, then you were looking
I
for a
was
cab
on
to.
I was on a bus and I was still looking for a cab that is like cheaper for me. And I just thought, oh my god, 250 cab back to my home. That's so cheap.
Why you're going back to your home?
College is my home also.
College home.
College.
I mean, for the
Then,
viewers, we write.
then I take my bags and I was asleep at that time, half asleep. So I just woke up like this, and iron deficiency kicks in.
Iron deficiency.
Iron deficiency, and then I fall down, just like that. I fall down, and then I wake up, and then I take my all of my I had 3 bags with me, and Mitchell, I'll show you the whole scenario. And then the driver asks me, where you wanna
Be left.
be left.
Yeah.
And I tell him, just wherever the buses stop it, just right here. Okay. I tell him to stop it right here, and then he stops, and then 2-3 people along with me also out of the bus. And then what happens? I started feeling myself.
Doesn't
Like-
make a sense.
I legit started feeling myself like this.
You started feeling lightheaded.
But I was just trying to convince myself
You know,
all
you
over
started feeling
again and again that I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm good. I'm on a highway. I book a cab. I call the cab driver that I'm on the highway, main highway, standing with 2 or 3 bags. Can you come? He's coming.
He's coming.
I'm resting my hands on the railing, trying to convince myself I'm good.
This happens before blacking out or after blacking
Before
out?
blacking out.
Chronology.
Yeah. And then I think of taking a water bottle out of my bag, but then my phone in my hand drops.
Where?
And you know what the main बात ये है कि जब मेरे हाथ से फोन गिरा, I couldn't even realize that my phone has like dropped out of my hand. And then the guys beside me, they started asking me from far that, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? And I was like, brother, I'm not okay.
Why you dropped the N-word in between?
And then the main thing, I blacked.
Would you like to reenact that also? Just for reference.
The phone drops. I take all of my bags, put it on the floor.
Mm-hmm.
I tried to take a water bottle, but I couldn't, and I just.
Oh, she
I was dead.
dead.
I was dead for 2 seconds.
Dead on the ground.
Yes, dead on the ground. Then God sent me some
Help.
good people around me, which gave me water bottle, and then I started feeling a bit okay. I started feeling conscious, which I wasn't back then. And then after drinking some of the water, also a lady come and asked me. Also,
Lady also came.
yes, she can. And what happens is then the cab driver comes, and I don't know I don't know what power he has. He just knew it was me.
Oh damn!
He just knew it was me who booked the cab.
It's almost like the cab shows where
It was a
the
person sent
location-
from God.
I think the Uber apps shows the locations of the booker
No,
person.
no. It was a person sent from
I mean,
God.
it shows.
God
but
loves
I-
me.
Yeah, but
I'm a God
we will put
child.
it on the God.
Yeah, I will put it on God because God loves me.
Another one for the God.
Yeah. So the cab wala comes and this turns out to be really, really good guy.
Turns
And then turns out
Decent guy, family guy,
decent
taking
guy
care
to
of
be a
his-
Uber wala and a cab wala.
taking care of his family.
Yeah, and
Working
then
hard.
what happens is
I talked to him.
yeah. Huh?
So the cab, you took a cab.
Yeah,
and
so when I
then
was about to sit
things
in the
settled.
cab, I could feel that I want to vomit, and then I go to side wali tapri and then vomit tapri ke piche. And what happens is, turns out the guys beside me were very concerned about me. The people who gave me water were really concerned about me.
Kya?
Yeah.
I was like, beside
No,
me.
no.
I was not there.
Yeah,
And
they
not
were
that I was
really
not concerned, but
They
I
even
didn't
told
know.
me to like, can you put somewhere someone you know on the call so we can tell them
Coordinate.
coordinate that you're not okay and all that blah 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 shit. But the guy was really angry as well somehow.
Cab guy?
No, the guy wanted to call.
No.
I was like, jaldi se, jaldi se.
Maybe he thought you were like a kid and not really understanding accountability and responsibility that you have to coordinate with the people who care about
But he
you.
was my age also, I feel like.
Maybe you know you don't
Maybe a
really
bit,
look
bit
of
younger, yeah. No, not
look like
younger.
a kid.
No, he was adult as
Do you
well.
think you're like a kid bacha who lost me or something?
Yeah. Then they call and shit, and then I sit in the cab, and also the cab will be bought me a Limca also.
Limca time?
Yeah, he bought me a
Another one
Limca.
for the cab guy.
Cab uncle was really good though. And then when I called him uncle, he was like, Uncle mat bolo. Back to my college, sort of where I live, and what happens is I feel like okay, I vomited, I blacked out, all good. I just need to hydrate myself, but not. I try to hydrate myself. I try to eat stuff that is light to digest. But what happens is I vomit 7 times a day.
7 times in
7
how
times in a
much
day.
time?
Like not in a day. It was like कि मैं 5 बजे पहुंची और उसके बाद 7 times I vomited till 12 बजे से पहले. So I was really sick and also a lot of shit was going on around me.
7 times.
Yeah.
That is a world record.
So guys, the moral of the story is if you felt sick, fell harder.
Fell hard enough that the ambulance takes you home instead.
Yeah, so you don't have to face the shit around you and the people who makes things and situations shit around you as well, because people are shit as hell.
Yeah, at least ambulance will care of you enough
Yeah.
that you are able to pay their bills. They won't let you die without you paying them. So yeah, get the fuck down on the road, bro, and don't even get up. Even if you are awake, just sleep there and just own the ground, bro. I don't really have this kind of experience, so but
We'll recommend you on the
But she's
center of the
recommending.
highway.
7 times vomit world record in a day.
And after that, I was getting okay. I was getting sick again. I was getting okay and sick again. Okay, sick again. Okay. So it was like okay, la 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 la.
There is a lack of continuation in her storytelling. I will apologize for that, but we are also learning here. We are not.
It's like,
really-
guys, I'm really bad at storytelling. I hope you don't.
We are
Even if
just
you
like
know
you
it.
guys, and we don't really know anything, but we still try like you guys. Like we are a family, you know. So you just follow us like family and comment
We're a family,
and like a
guys.
family and
Godly
give
family,
money
have God connections.
like family. So I think what I am taking in all this is I have never experienced this kind of thing, and there are many people who might have not experienced this kind of thing. So listening to it from a outer perspective of how a person could end up in this kind of situation,
And what you should do.
and what should you do and what you should not. We are not really a good
But
reference
now
for
you know
that.
what happens if you drop your phone in Jalandhar ka.
So yeah.
You know what happens if you find chunk of Uncle Chips. You know.
So
You have to make a podcast as well for it.
at the end, just take care of yourself so you don't really end up on this. Eat 3 times a day.
Also, guys, new haircut.
Yeah, I'm also trying to get to her hair length. We are working on that.
Okay. So you're gonna see a new look also in
Update.
our next podcast.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
it will
color
take
my
a
hair,
time.
guys. You both gonna, glow up, guys.
I
Glow.
think hair talk we should do in next one. So thing is just eat 3 times a day, don't be sick and don't be nauseous and
Stay
black
hydrated,
out on the
guys.
road. Stay hydrated, drink water 3 times a day, 3 times food.
Avoid coffee and a lot of coffee.
Yeah, coffee is overrated, man.
No, it's not.
Just water and shit, bro. I will take good care of you. And we also don't want you guys to be falling here and there, blacking out in bus stands and I don't know where.
And dropping your phones as well.
So we care about you. And if you have by chance any story related to, you blacking out somewhere or anything happening interesting, you can share it. We will read it fully and we might talk about it in the next episode, or we might make a full episode about talking about the comments like we get any. So it will not take really that much time.
Context. In short.
Yeah, so provide us content by your
Yeah.
stories, so we don't have to work on our stories is the main point. And last,
Also, guys, sponsor. If you want any sort of jewelry, you can like
You can like.
You can visit Nickel Dot Store on Instagram.
We will not put this part. Please. Why we are sponsoring? We don't have any sponsor for no reason. Yeah. So yeah, at the end, guys, just take care
मैं
of
अपना
yourself.
बिजनेस तो स्पॉन्सर कर सकते हैं ना
Yeah, do. क्या है तुम्हारा?
जब बनेगा तब करूँगी. This is what we have for today. So love with your heart and
Use your brain for everything else and take care of yourself. Eat good, drink good,
don't black out and keep a sanitizer in your bag.
and don't do drugs, kid. And go to school.
Bye bye, sayonara.
Yeah, continue.
हाँ मैं अपना मुंह कितनी नहीं चला सकती हूँ.
I will not try on camera.